Push you up the hill.
Where are we going?
I'm not stopping.
Oh my God. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up, damn it! Say something!
What?
Riley, there were hundreds of ticketies in disguise on the Ipswich train. Where are you?
Dude, I am on the Ipswich train. That is it. I have had it with these motherfucking ticketies on this motherfucking train. Everybody strap yourself in. I'm about to get off the next station.
Riley, you have to get out of there. Riley? Riley? Riley! No!
Mate, show me a ticket, mate. Is that good? Tickets out of date, mate.
If you're a real man, you 1v1 me. No vehicles, no weapons.